Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. See the bigger picture event postponed. What should I do? We'll have that coming right up. Now, disclaimer before we get into it is what I'm about to tell you are my recommendations, and you are free to follow these recommendations or not. So let's begin. The number one question I've been getting since the event has been postponed is, Bill, what should I do? Well, I've come up with 3 recommendations until the event actually happens, so let's go ahead and get started with that. My first recommendation is this. If you need a drone right now, get a drone right now. Get the one that is best suited for your needs. And if you have any questions regarding that, please feel free to email me at BillTheDroneReviewer@gmail.com, and I'll probably ask you several questions to try to determine what drone would be best suited for your needs. I've had quite a few people do this, and they've been very pleased with their results. And of course, this is based upon my experience, and my recommendations are based upon their needs. Number 2, if you can wait, then wait. This is something that may seem rather obvious, but this is something that I highly recommend, especially if you're trying to choose between 2 drones. Say the drone that DJI is coming out with at the See the Bigger Picture event, and something, say, such as an Autel Evo. If you need to sell your drone, I would highly recommend waiting until DJI reschedules the event. Now, one of the things that I can tell you is it was unprecedented that DJI has postponed this event. That's never happened before in their history. And one of the things I would say with a reasonable degree of certainty, you will see the event happening when it's rescheduled. There won't be a second delay or postponement. And the odds of something like that happening back to back are off the charts. So this is something that these are 3 of the recommendations that I would have for you at this time. If you have any questions regarding this, or I've had a lot of people email me. Please definitely send me an email regarding this to BillTheDroneReviewer@gmail.com. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter page where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.